Hi, welcome to the Mailchimp tutorial for the beginners. Today we'll create a new account and then add list of contacts to it and send our first email. So I've already filled up the form, so where I've entered my email ID, username, password. Then it will take you to a page. Then you'll get a email confirmation. Then you can click on the activate account. Click on the activate account. You'll come to this screen. Opt for the free plan. Continue. Then come to a point where you'll ask you tell us about your contact detail. Just write I'm not sure. Continue. Original content. Okay. So let's begin. Send your first email. Let's create a campaign name. Test email. You can add recipient. You can import contacts. You can upload a CSV file or you can copy paste as well. Let's upload CSV file. So I uploaded the dummy data. Click on continue to organize. For this purpose, click subscribed. You can create a tag as well. You can sanitize your data. And you can complete the import. So now you have data where you can send email to. Once you have uploaded your recipient list, now come to the second part. Save it, subject. Now let's work on the content. As of now, let's go to the classic builder. Here you will see already mentioned templates. So for example, this kind of a template is good for a e-commerce website selling products like shoes, apparel, etc. So but for this test purpose, let's just stick to a simple version of email, that is text, and let's just click on the simple text. So it will take you to a page where you can edit the whole content. So as you can see, this emailer is made up of various sections, and you can edit each and every section, and you can add sections to it from the right hand side options. Let's say if you want to add an image, so you can add an image here. Just you need to drag and drop and the options will appear here. Now let's edit our first section, which is headline. So you can see you can edit it. Test email. Now let's edit the second part. This. Let's add an image. You can upload a file. As you can see, we have uploaded an image. You can edit an image. You can increase or decrease the size of it. Let's keep it full. Now this is the last section, which is kind of a footer. So here you have all the details which are required in email, like for example your company name, where it is coming from, your name, and also an option where as a customer can unsubscribe from the list and all sort of that. So once you update that, click on the Enterprise Mobile, it will look like this. Exit the mode. Once you are done with all the aspect of campaign creation, you can send the emails to your subscriber.